Turkiye's Bayraktar Akinci drone, which was deployed to search for the crash of the Bell 212 helicopter carrying the president of Iran in the mountains on the border between Iran and Azerbaijan, succeeded in identifying a heat source originating from the wreckage of the helicopter. Video footage and photos of the discovery were uploaded by Anadolu Agency on X. Previously, Turkiye had sent 32 mountain rescuers and various equipment including drones to help Tehran search for the Bell 212 helicopter used by Iranian President Ibrahim Raisi. Also on board the helicopter were Iranian Foreign Minister Hossein Amir-Abdollahian and other officials. Hundreds of thousands of people followed Turkey's commissioned Akinci drone flight via global flight tracking service data. On the Flight Radar 24 app, Akinci's drone flight on Monday morning ranked first among the most monitored aircraft, with more than 200,000 people tracking the drone's movements. After the helicopter carrying Raisi crashed, the Turkiye Ministry of National Defense assigned an Akinci drone and a Cougar helicopter with night vision capabilities to take part in search activities. Iranian President Raisi attended the inauguration ceremony of the dam on the Iran-Azerbaijan border earlier in the day. He departed using a Bell 212 helicopter. Anadolu reported that the accident occurred when Raisi's helicopter made an emergency landing while returning from the area. Iranian Foreign Minister Hossein Amir-Abdollahian, East Azerbaijan State Governor Malik Rahmeti, and Tabriz Imam Ayatollah Ali Hashim were also on the helicopter. Search and rescue teams reported that their work continued with difficulties due to bad weather conditions, such as dense fog.